Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. Important to know creating some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly could skip through and start practicing right away. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. I've spent hour 300 seconds to make this video. Thanks for appreciation. I mean like and comment now. You can freely use footage color during educational videos.